Hello my fellow creators and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing some ink blending and using this stencil to kind of use a watermark sort of technique. I've gone ahead and pre-cut my cardstock and my embellishments. So I will be using Distress Oxide inks. I'm going to be using Aged Mahogany, Festive Berries, and Worn Lipstick. So let's get started. I'm trying to make this video without having to do a voiceover. So we will see how well that goes. Usually I get interrupted by one of my grandchildren or my husband. But let's give this a shot. We're starting with the Worn Lipstick, and I am using Canson, I think it's Canson watercolor paper. And I am just going to go ahead and do some ink blending. Now I'm going to use this stencil. I got this huge pack of stencils of geometric shapes and mandalas and so forth on Amazon. Not sure how good they are. They were really cheap, but we'll see how they work. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my stencil with water because I'm gonna lay it on here. Let's see how good of a job I do. Oh, I also splattered. That's okay. It's the kind of finish we want. So I had some black cardstock and I just cut it a heart out using my Simon Says Stamp Nested Hearts. And I used the third one down. So I had pre-cut that. I'll go ahead and set this in here. Make sure it's how I want it. And add my anti-static powder. Sometimes doesn't come out like I want it to. So and I will stamp that using Simon Says Stamp clear embossing ink. have some pre-printed sentiments I bought from Simon Says Stamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut one of these out. I think I'm gonna use just plain I love you. And I'm gonna put some craft foam, which I already added double-sided adhesive to. Just because this was watercolored paper and it warped a little bit. That helps to keep it straight. Okay. And then I'm going to mat this panel on black cardstock. There we go. Now, I made one before I made this video just to test it out. And this one I added some bling to. What do you think? Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Bye.